So this is the part 2 of the introduction to the course. So in the first part, we briefly discussed the motivation behind this course and we saw various application areas. Now we try to answer the question that what is this course? You will find various definitions for it in your books, but I will not be going into that. Rather, I will try to explain what we are going to do in this course through various nomenclature that is used in the course. Because I believe if you know the nomenclature related to a course, you know half the course. So we will try to study. First of all, the system that we are trying to control, system to be controlled, is called as simply a system, right? Or it could also be called as a plant. The system which is to be controlled is sometimes called a system, and many a times it is called as the plant. So in that system, you need to control some variables of that system. For example, the system examples could be a turbine, it could be a push shaft of it, it could be a steering of a car. The system could be any system that you are trying to control, right? It could be the room in which you are sitting. Even that can be a system. Now, in that system, there must be some variable that you wish to control. The variable that you wish to control, and that is called as the control variable. So, the control variable in a turbine system could be the steam pressure or its speed, right, or the steam pressure. In rotor shaft, it again could be the vibration of the shaft or its displacement from the mean position that you wish to control or you wish to mitigate. In steering, again you wish to, let's say, control its angle, the steering angle. That could be the control variable. And in a room, it could be the humidity of the room, it could be the temperature, it could be the air quality, right? So these are the systems and these are the control variables that you wish to control. Then, apart from this is the controller. What is controller? The controller is the brain of the control system. What is the brain of the control system? So, if it's a turbine and you wish to control the speed, so let's say you have a sensor inside a turbine and you are sensing its pressure inside it. Now the decision, the action that you wish to take has to be decided by something, right? It has to be decided based on some logic. So that logic or that mechanics of the system based on which it will work, your control system would work, is called as the controller. We'll go into much deeper into this. Let's just right now do the terminology and I will explain you with the examples. So controller is the brain, the logic which acts behind controlling the system. Then, as I just said now, there are sensors in the system which sense the control variable inside the system. And then there are actuators in the system, in a control system. And actuators are the things which take control action inside the plant or the control system. So let us take an example and try to understand these things in much detail. I'll take an example which is much familiar.